Welcome to Jamaica Young Police Channel. Today is Wednesday, July 28th, 2021 at about 6 p.m. and I am here to address my fellow police officers in Jamaica. As you know, this channel is to encourage Jamaican police officers to migrate from Jamaica and seek a better life outside of Jamaica for your family and yourself, so that you don't have to be a beggar or a cutter. Suppose you think or aspire to be the next commissioner of police. In that case, those days are over and done with. So it's better for you to leave than stay in the dump on the criminal paradise called Jamaica. I am not beholden to any guy or any organization or politician in Jamaica. I have seen the criminals staying all of the island and killing people at will. And even at one time, my workplace, Unsbury Police Station, gunmen went inside the police station to kill one of their rivals. Over the years, as police officers, most of my enemies are police officers. And surprisingly, some of them were police cadets with me at the Jamaica Police Academy, Twickenham Park, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Most of these police officers are from rural Jamaica, and one is from Cockburn Pen, York Avenue, Kingston 11. To the young police officers in Jamaica, in case you do not know, the Prime Minister St. Andrew Holness and the other 62 members of Parliament are not your friends. They are your enemies and friends of the criminals. They are their constituents, their benefactors of crimes, and you guys are scapegoats for these people who claim that they are poor, or some of them who are really poor. I want you to watch this video and then I am going to elaborate on the contents.
You start it? Yeah. So, Bumbleclot and Joe. Wellness, me. Name Shaquille Higgins, live on Main Street, man. Pussy wall. Come to me now. You're real waste, man. Yo. Batty boy and Joe. Oh, suck your mother. How are you, man?
Go 8 o'clock curfew.
After man plan to blood clot, Marco Polo, come boy. Hey, boy, go.
Now that you have watched the video, what do you think Shaquille Higgins did wrong or did right? Did the police do the right thing? I want you to watch this other video, and in your opinion, you tell me what you think.
You did a drink today? I drink in boots, yo.
Now that you watch the video of Shaquille Higgins being arrested by the police, as a former member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and a police supporter, in my humble opinion, no, and no. The reason why I'm saying this is that the young man didn't commit any crime in the presence of the police or any offense. And for him to express himself just like that, in that manner, this is what the Prime Minister and all those people subscribe to. They have no problem with it when they're hearing these people disrespecting the police. So the reason why I am saying that the politician set the tone for the disrespect of the police, and little did they know that it will be coming to their doorstep. So the Prime Minister and his constituent and all those little egoists, this man Shaquille Higgins, hurt his feelings because he think that he's God and they should worship him. You understand? But little did he know that he's a human being just like Shaquille Higgins. So the tone that he has set for the disrespect of the police officers in Jamaica, little did he know that one day it will be coming to his doorstep. And the reason why I do believe that the police officer blunder, you understand? after watching this video. The people of Jamaica, they have been getting support from the politician over the years, from in the middle to the late 1990s, and we are reaping what these people have subscribed to and promote and support over the years. So now that it's reached right there to the Prime Minister, who else now these people can disrespect? The Prime Minister is the representative of the country, and a young man is sending out that message. You think that they are afraid now to use violence against them? But anyway, I want you to watch this video. Now that you have watched this video, did you see all the people were obstructing, assaulting, and perverting the course of justice by trying to help the accused man escape police custody? Did you see that? Most Jamaicans, nothing is wrong with what these people were doing at the police officers, But you think that these people, this could happen in the United States of America or any first world country, that a mob is telling the police officers how they're to do their job and who to arrest and when to arrest them? That's how these low IQ people behave, And it's supported by the Prime Minister, St. Andrew Holness, all the way down. So it started from the top of the stream. So for this little man, Shaquille Higgins, I don't see why police went and arrest this man for what he said about the Prime Minister when people have said worse than this to the police officers in Jamaica. And I haven't seen where the police officers, they went and pursued these people after even like a video like this and arrest them. I am not anti-police. I am pro-police. I am anti-politician, anti-indisciplined people, anti-criminal, anti-elitist, criminal elitist. You understand? So whenever you see any video of the sort on social media with the people disrespecting the police officers in Jamaica doing their lawful duty, this is a question I want to ask you, police officer. Have you ever heard the Prime Minister, St. Andrew Holiness, or any politician, whether PMP or Labourite, spoke up against the hooligans and these parasites or they disrespect the police? I would like one of you police officers to tell me yes. And I want to tell me yes, I'll shut up my mouth forever. Because I have no other family, you know. The police is my family. You understand? I was a police cadet, so I don't know nothing else. That's my first taste of higher education and training. Yeah, instill more discipline in me. You understand what I'm saying? And I thought that I was about to make a difference in my country, in which I see it deteriorate until it reached this part where we have even a convicted drug dealer one step away from becoming judge in Jamaica. You understand? They know that these people are low IQs people, dunces, criminals, anti-police, because this is what they have been taught and programmed from birth. And because they do not like to read, it has become a part of their thought process. The Prime Minister, St. Andrew Holness, and the other enemies of the police force and decent and law-abiding Jamaicans. They are enemies of the decent and law-abiding Jamaicans. These, the Prime Minister and the politicians in Jamaica. You understand? They are enemies of the police force. They haven't passed any meaningful law to make it a felony when they obstruct, assault, and resist the police. When a police officer is obstruct, assaulted, and resists, it is a petty session matter. And police officers, guess what? Some of the justice of peace in Jamaica are criminals themselves too. So you're surrounded by enemies from the Prime Minister all the way, even in the courts. Some of the judges are against you people too. You understand? Because I've seen where a police officer was chopped at by a man and the policeman shot him and the policeman was convicted in court for defending himself. You understand? So you don't understand that you're surrounded by enemies everywhere. What the police officer should have done is to prepare a warrant of arrest for the people who are in the video obstructing, assaulting, resisting, and charge them for attempting to pervert the course of justice. That's the people that the police officers should be arresting and posting videos of them, send it so we can get it all over the world. You understand? Showing that these people have been arrested and charged for using indecent language, obstructing police, assaulting police, resisting arrest, and attempting to pervert the course of justice. I wonder who is teaching these police officers, because if these police officers know what they're doing, all of these people that were there surrounding them like a mob, if they file these charges against them, that's criminal record. Let them stay there and they cannot migrate or anything like that. Arrest and charge them. You have to have something that deter people from committing crime. But no, in Jamaica, it's an encouragement. You have never seen the Prime Minister. I have never seen him denounce these people and condemn their behavior. So I don't see why the police, they went and arrest Shaquille Higgins. Yes, some people are saying, so I'm supporting indiscipline. I'm not supporting indiscipline or bad behavior, but the reason why, what is good for the goose is good for the gander. The Prime Minister have always supported these people. He don't condemn them, you know. You understand what I'm saying? But as they said, something that hurt his feeling because only the dictators behave like that in a democratic society. People make video and say anything about the leader. That shouldn't bother him. But if there's statues out there that, yeah, you can prosecute them, no problem. But the same way that the police, they use the ZELLE to arrest Shaquille Higgins, use the same ZELLE, the police officers, that these people in this video surrounded and man telling police what to do and how to do his job and stuff like that, and even people that was trying to pull away the man. Those people supposed to be charged for those offenses. You understand? Obstructing police, assaulting police, resisting arrest, and attempting to pervert the course of justice. There must be detectives that there who know the points to prove an offense for attempting to pervert the course of justice. Once the man is in custody and they're trying to take the man away from you guys, it's not a petty session charge anymore. No. It's a criminal case now. Arrest them. You have them on video. Go and look for them. You understand? Arrest them and we see. Just like the way you arrest Shaquille Higgins. Shaquille Higgins, maybe the man, the young man, is with the lockdown, people, it affect people mental health. So, I'm not making an excuse, but you see the reason why I am in this instant is because it's has to do with the Prime Minister, the person who is leading the country, the man who allow a convicted drug dealer, a cocaine trafficker, to be a lawyer in Jamaica. So, and this little man who does and police not gonna lock him up. We no soon have drug dealer who no like police a practice law in a court, who's an officer of the court. If police get convicted at court inquiry, you cannot be police anymore. But you have a convicted drug dealer. What is wrong with the police? And don't see what is happening around you. Well, on a blind or what? Don't let you know ego or because someone stooges. Some of me know enough of maybe a political activist, labor writer, or PMP, and want to treat these people like they are God. They are people just like you guys. You understand? So let these people, man, let them find money. You understand? And get lawyers to fight their charges in court. Let it juke them where it hurts. You understand? And leave the countryman who is expressing himself about the Prime Minister, who doesn't respect the police. So the people have no respect for him. So the Prime Minister don't respect the police. Well, you expect the people going to respect you. You think the people are fools. They see what the Prime Minister have been doing, From 2010, they have seen what the Jamaica Labour Party has done to Jamaica along with the PMP. You understand what I'm saying? So they give them the right and say, hey, look here, anything, you can do anything. So just keep police, look out for yourself. Police officers, remember that the Prime Minister, St. Andrew Holiness, and the opposition leader, Mark Golding, and all the other 61 members of Parliament are not your friends, but the friends of the criminal. I would like you guys to correct me if I'm wrong. Show me which politician ever come out and denounce them people. Remember this ugly MP who come from Warmington, him disrespect the Deputy Superintendent of Police, which is unheard of. Disrespect him, a politician, no example. And him disrespect everybody. That's how it is. So you expect the people to behave in way. And you know that Warmington a big time hero down there. You understand? I have never seen these people rebuking the people for being disrespectful when they are calling the police officers names, disrespecting them, assaulting them, and all kind of thing. They remain mum. Did you see the Labour MP, Warmington, disrespect the Deputy Superintendent of Police? Take note, man. Police officers, they have no respect. And the police officers who are these people, bodyguard, have no self-respect. So you see a squaddy who are work at protective service. They are not police, they are political activists. They are labor rights and PMP. Labor right and PMP police. They are not police officers because the vote that they took is not although it's to the Constitution, their job is to protect the labor right and the PMP MP at all costs. Like for me, nobody couldn't get me work for bodyguard these people. I could never bodyguard my enemy. These people are your enemies. police are protective service. Let them use security guard for guard them. These people, number one, if they say it's 1% you guys getting, remember Jamaica is not America, where inflation is set and it's maintained. In Jamaica, inflation are 300%, and these people want to tell you that this is what we're going to pay you and you're not getting nothing more. They're not talking to you. You understand? No respect. That's how these people are. You have to know your enemy. Know your enemies. Police officer, remember that the politicians in Jamaica are your first enemies. Then the low IQ, not all of them, some of them, that are even people in country now say that they are ghetto people. You understand? And they don't know what it is to feel like to live in a ghetto. But everybody want. I don't know what is cool about that because of your criminality. You understand? And the criminals, elites who live uptown and other rich communities in Jamaica, they are the real criminals. But you see what these people are doing. It's the more the people in Jamaica see these videos, it's the more important for disrespect the police. So it's a very hard place for you guys to police because you have no support there. The support system is just with your colleagues and with your family. You understand? I have helped 25 police officers who have migrated and counting. And most of them are doing much better. Most of them never drive a new car until they migrated. And one of them is a coward and is afraid of dying. So he's a security guard. But he did not know he could be killed when he was a police officer in Jamaica. And it would take 10 years for his dependent to get any money. But if he had followed the route that I have followed, if he is killed today, in a few hours, his dependent, his wife, mother, whoever is the dependent, they would get money and benefits. No question asked. They don't have to wait for anybody to write any report. Just the death certificate that he's dead. You understand? Whether you're on duty, because the job that I have been through, it doesn't matter whether you're in uniform, plain clothes and leave, you're covered. You understand? So police officer, know your enemies. Know that this man, St. Andrew Holiness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, is not your friend. Mark Bolin is not your friend either. And the others, members of parliament. All of these people, they are not your friends, they're your enemies. These people, everything that they have done is to make sure that you guys, most of you are from rural Jamaica, is to make sure that you end up in prison and have criminal conviction. The thing is cued to destroy your life. Think, young police. Do you want to live in a society that treats you like this? You are nothing. People is going to tell you how to do your job. These hooligans. Thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police channel. Please remember to like the video, subscribe and share. Have yourself a beautiful day. Wherever you are in the world. One love. Peace be unto you all. Stay safe. And police, just remember, the PMP and the GLP party and them and their supporters, they're not your friends. They're your enemies. Okay? If you don't know your enemies, you're not going to know your friends. Peace.